Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Lashes online channel. It's Victoria here with you again, and I'm so excited to dive into today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create the wet lashes effect in a hybrid volume style, from start to finish. This is a look that's in high demand for its unique, slightly textured effect that adds a lot of character to the eyes. If you're interested in learning more lash techniques, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me and really helps my videos reach more lash artists like you. Alright, let's jump right in. Whenever I choose an effect, the first step is always analyzing the client's eye shape. This client, for example, has slightly narrow eyes, so my goal is to make her gaze appear more open and bright. By enhancing the outer corners, I can add that desired lift. But, of course, I also always ask my clients about their preferences for volume and curl, because it's important that they feel comfortable and confident with the style. After discussing with her, we agreed on hybrid volume, a mix between classic and light volume that gives a bit more fullness without being too dramatic. For the curl, we decided on IC Plus to add a soft lift that would complement her natural lashes and eye shape. Now, let's move on to drawing the lash map. For this particular style, I'm using what I call the classic elongation map, though some lash artists might know it as the foxdoll effect. Here's the basic idea. I'm applying one length from the middle of the eye out to the outer corner, which creates a subtle gradient that elongates the eye shape. On the inner corner, I gradually increase lengths from 6 to 12 to create a smooth transition that's natural yet eye-catching. This effect visually opens up the eyes while placing subtle emphasis on the outer corners. Since this client's natural lashes are already quite long, we chose a maximum extension length of 13 to maintain a balanced, harmonious look. For thickness, I'm using a 0.1 diameter, which I find to be perfect for creating a soft, feathery volume without overwhelming the eyes. Let's talk about what makes this style unique, the wet lashes effect in hybrid volume. So, what exactly is the wet effect? It's a style where we use a high number of closed fans, which gives the lashes a wet look, almost like they're freshly coated with a light layer of water. In this set, I'm creating the wet effect by using closed fans in about 50% of the extensions. Here's how I do it. I carefully pull two synthetic lashes from the strip, dip them in glue, and attach them directly to the client's natural lash, keeping them tightly closed. This closed fan gives a sleek, defined texture, enhancing the wet look. Since we're working with hybrid volume, the other 50% of the lashes will be single, classic extensions, which I apply individually. Alternating between closed fans and single lashes creates a stunning blend of texture and softness, with a hint of that unique wet look. I find this version of the wet effect the simplest to apply, though there are many variations you can try as you get more comfortable with this style. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a video on other types of wet effects. There's really so much to explore in this technique. After I've completed filling the entire eye, my final step is to carefully check for any stickies. This part is crucial because it ensures the client's comfort and the longevity of the lash set. I've received a lot of feedback from you, and as a thank you, I've decided to offer a special gift, a free guide all about lash adhesive. In this guide, I've compiled the most important tips for working with glue for lash extensions. To get it for free, just follow me on Instagram and comment the word guide on my latest post, and I'll send it to you for free. And here we are. Let's take a moment to look at the final result. As you can see, the eyes look bright, open, and full of life. The combination of the hybrid volume with the wet effect really makes the eyes stand out in a beautiful yet natural way. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, tips, and lash inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy lashing!